The first purely Haitian flag was adopted on 18 May 1803, on the last day of the Congress of Argayé, about 80 kilometers north of Port-au-Prince. The flag of Haiti is a bicolor flag featuring two horizontal bands colored blue and red, defaced by a white panel bearing the coat of arms. The coat of arms depicts a trophy of weapons atop a green hill, ready to defend freedom, and a world palm symbolizing independence. This palm is topped by the cap of liberty. The motto, "L'union fait la force," unity is strength, appears on a white ribbon below the arrangement. Jean-Jacques Dessalines created the flag by taking a French tricolor and ripping out the white center, which he discarded. He then asked Catherine Flon, his goddaughter, to sew the remaining bands together. The white pale removed, the blue was taken to represent Haiti's black citizens and the red the blacks. Later on, following his proclamation as Emperor Jacques I, Dessalines promulgated a new constitution on 20 May 1805. In it, the colors of the flag were altered to vertical black and red. It was adopted also by Henri Christophe, but returned to the colors blue and red with Alexandre Pétion. The anniversary of the date is celebrated as the Haitian Flag Day, and usually in May 18th. As a flag represents a nation, then it is a symbol of great consideration with a lot of myths and legends. For example, some Freemasons claimed that the country was different in terms of productivity, management, ethic, and more, simply because the line that separates the two colors was vertical. As the flag represents and is the soul of each and every single Haitian, then the vertical line means that we are active, standing, walking, working, etc. So the horizontal is the laziness state, sleeping, resting, and not wanting to work, and so on. Between 1964 and 1986, the family dictatorships of François Papa Doc and Jean-Claude Baby Doc Duvalier returned to Dessalines' black and red design. During the Haitian Flag Day, the government usually leaves the capital and goes to Argayé for a special ceremony to celebrate the day both traditionally and culturally. All the schools in the country organize a special event during this national holiday.